congratulate you first of all for taking admission, for being successful in the joint entrance examination and opting for IHM Shimla, which you will realize in due course of time that this entity will be a permanent entry in your biodata. This is a part of your lifetime, and you are never going to relent this. You are never going to relent this. You'll always be happy. This I can tell you from the past experience. Before starting, I would like to give a brief introduction about myself. I am Mukul Dimri. I have done my basic education from St. George's School, Mussoorie and Weinberg School, Mussoorie in the ICSE board. I did my hotel management from IHM Mumbai and passed out in the year 1990. Then I worked as a chef in Hotel Le Méridien. I worked in Hotel Moriarty. Then I came into the field of training and I was with the Srinivas College of Hotel Management. In the Manipal College of Hotel Management, in the year 1995, I joined IHM Shimla. I was in IHM Shimla for from 95 to 2006, and thereafter I joined a new institute which is IHM Dehradun, where I was an HOD and then administrative in charge, then principal in charge, and then finally again in the year 2019 December, I joined IHM Shimla as a principal. Besides my hotel management, I have also done my masters in hotel management, and I am an MBA HR from IGNOU. I am a DOT recognized trainer from the Ministry of Personal Department of Training, and I am also pursuing my PhD. A brief introduction about this college. Initiated in the year 1984, it started as a food craft institute. Then another landmark in this institute was in the year 1991, when the present building, which is the administrative block from where I am addressing you, came into being. When we started in a very small place, in a very shop kind of an establishment, which is still located there in the main Kufri Bazaar next to the UCO Bank, which is also the bank for our college. And then this building was inaugurated in the year 1991. At that time, we were a food craft institute. In the year 1995 was another landmark for an institute when we were upgraded to a 3-year degree. At that time it was a diploma, 3-year diploma in hotel management, and we were also upgraded to the status of a central institute of hotel management. You are aware there are only 21 institutes of central IHM institutes all over India. Another landmark was in the year 2002-2003 when the academic block of this institute, that is the Radhakrishnan block, that came into being. Along with the Radhakrishnan block, the boys hostel, the girls hostel was also started, and we also have a small guest house. And then after that, in the year 2008 or 9 somewhere, we have another block which is known as the Masu block, again used for the academic purposes. And Mahasu is the name of the local deity of this place. This area is also known as Masu, after the Masu deity. So we have named a building also after that. As far as the hotel management is concerned, you see the history is quite old. It's not a new field. Started in the year 1952. Initially it was affiliated with the Ministry of Agriculture. Then in the year 1984, we started with the National Council for Hotel Management, which actually came into being in 1984, and then it was under the Ministry of Tourism. And 2002 is another big landmark when the NCHMCT entered into a contract with the IGNOU, and then started giving the BSc degree in hotel management. Presently, we are also giving MSc in hotel management, and in due course of time, we are also going to start with the research. The National Hospitality Bill 2018 is already being placed in the Parliament, under which the National Tourism University is proposed, which will be giving the degree by itself. That bill is still placed for voting in the Parliament. So this is the brief history of the institute. Now coming back to the academics, I want to tell you something about what this hotel management, what is our academic field like. We basically have 4 different sections in hotel management, which is food production, F&B service, accommodation operations, and front office. These are the 4 major sections in our stream. In the first year of your lab, that is now we have already started with the academic session. We will be telling you the basics, or the entry level, the basic operations about these 4 lines. Then in the second year, we will be again telling you about a little bit of advance. In the second year, you also go for your industrial training, and then in the third year, we have the advanced level for all these 4 major subjects. Along with these 4 major subjects, we also have other subjects like facility planning, food science and nutrition, hotel engineering, research methodology, facility planning, strategic management, and the IGNOU component is also there, wherein you have to complete 5 papers, after which you are eligible for a degree. The other components are there because the basic objective of this program is to enable you to become at least a management trainee. That is what is the objective of this program. We hope that our students, after completing this program, will be able to enter the hotels at an entry level of a management trainee. But then students, let me also tell you, this is the objective of the program. To achieve this objective, we have to really work hard, because this course only tells you the basic, which is your basic skills, your own basic components which will help you enable getting a job. Now these basic components, in my opinion, from my experience of about 25 years in the field of training and about 5 years in the field of industry, almost 30 years of experience, I can tell you what I found out, or what I can say is there are some components which are very, very important. The basic components are, first of all, is your communication. The communication needs to be excellent, especially in the field of hospitality management. The second basic component is your personality. The third thing is your discipline, and the fourth thing is your commitment, your hard work. These 4 components are very important ingredients for a hotelier. Please remember these 4 ingredients always. These are the basic components which are going to help you. And how you can achieve these 4 components, you require 3 important friends. 3 important friends, please mark these things. There are 3 friends you need to have which will help you accomplishing your mission. The 3 friends are, number 1 is your parents. Your parents are your best friends and guides. They can really assess and tell you what your communication is, what your personality is, how much disciplined you are, how much punctual you are, how much zeal is there within you. The second thing is, the second most important thing is your faculty, your teachers. Especially in IHM Shimla, we have a team of committed faculty members, young, and they are all from the industry. They have seen this industry, they have been within India and they have been abroad. They are the ones who can tell you. They are the ones who can assess you. And the third thing is the books, what you read. You also get information nowadays through the net, through the website. But that is all, that is all superficial. But the books are based on research, especially what I'm talking by books. What I mean is your course books, which we'll be telling you in due course of time. Please make a habit of reading good books and also good periodicals and newspapers. Our library is fully equipped with all these books and periodicals. We have almost all the leading periodicals in our library, and I want you to make this a habit. You must always carry your course book and the relevant books along with you. They are your best friends. They are the ones who are going to help you in getting a job. Your other friends are your competitors. They are not your friends. They are your competitors. They will be competing with you when you go for a job. But your books, your faculty, and your parents. Your parents are the most essential ingredients. They are the ones who really want you to develop, who really want you to get a good job, who really want you to excel and do very well in your life. Another thing that I want to now discuss is a little bit about our college infrastructure. Although everything is available in the website, but still I want to tell you something about the college. That our college is very well equipped. We have ample labs, ample facilities, classrooms which are fitted with the latest gadgets, The campus is a Wi-Fi campus. The classes are fitted with the latest electronic gadgets, quality furniture. We have auditoriums. We have an auditorium which has got a capacity of about 500 sitting capacity, a huge auditorium, and very big according to the Shimla standards. We've got a gym, we've got music room, we've got so many other facilities, the relevant labs, that is the front office lab, the accommodation operation lab, the guest suites, the guest rooms, then the computer labs, the front office labs. We have the necessary PMS for the front office. For PMS means the property management systems which are used in the hotels. What are the bakeries? What I basically want to tell you is that this college is very well equipped, and we are in the process of upgradation. We are in the process of upgradation of our labs, of our institute. Being situated in a hilly location, we are prone to some kind of weather disturbances at times. So we are making our campus fully workable even during those difficult times, that is during the time of snow or during the time of rain. So now we have got fully covered pathways from where you can go from the hostel to the labs, from the labs to the other parts, academic blocks and other things, without being disturbed by the weather. The another thing what I want to tell you is that, as I told you, the important ingredients for being a successful hotelier. So we are also working on all those kind of things like your personality development, which we do by organizing various kinds of events, various kinds of activities. We compete in all the different competitions, and I'm very proud to tell you that our college students have been performing very, very well. Another thing I want to tell you is about our alumni, very, very important ingredient of any successful organization. We have an organization we have an alumni, which I'm very proud to tell you, and you will find out when you go for your industrial training and when you go to the industry, that you will find your seniors placed at the highest positions in many hotels, not only in India but even abroad. So this, as I told you in the beginning itself, that this permanent entity in your biodata is going to be always helpful to you. Now I want to talk about certain guidelines which are very, very important from your point of view. Now this was a general introduction that I have given. Now certain points which are very, very important from your point of view. So slowly, one by one, I'll touch on them. The first important thing that I know which is there in your mind is the accommodation. We've got a hostel for approximately 120 students, boys that is, and we will be able to accommodate about 40 to 50 girls. Presently in the list there are 51 girls. This is a huge number and the highest ever in the history of our college. Till now, almost all the girls were able to get the accommodation, and I think all the first years will be able to get the accommodation. We also want to get the accommodation to the girls second year and third years. Till now we were managing it. This year I don't know, but we are positive that we'll be able to do that. As far as the boys is concerned, the list, as when you will be joining the college for the physical reporting, so we will be preparing your list, and that list will go to the as per the reporting, that list will reach the National Council, from where a merit, that is your JEE merit, that number that you have, whatever rank you are having, on that basis the first 120 students will be allotted the hostel. So there it is absolutely transparent, and it is not in our hands. But for the remaining, let me tell you from experience that we have got very good accommodation available in Shimla, and on Monday the first class is on the accommodation, wherein we will be telling you how we will be helping you, where all the accommodation is available, all that we will be telling. And then we have also made one more provision is there, which we have made this year. We will be providing you with a bus which will start from Sanjoli, which is the main station before our college. From there the bus is going to start for the students who do not get the hostel, and that is on a payment of ₹600 per month. Now you can enroll with us on the day of your joining. You can tell us whether you want the bus and all, and depending upon the number of students we will be organizing the number of buses. Now this is a highly subsidized price, because otherwise if you come through the normal buses, the price is quite high. From there it is much more. The remaining part, it is highly subsidized. The remaining part of the fees will be borne of the bus fare will be borne by the college, and this is to accommodate you, make you comfortable, and so that you are able to reach the college in time and leave the college in time. So that facility we will be providing you, provided you give us the thing. Now this is regarding the accommodation. One more important thing is, when you come for the physical reporting, as I told you, the hostel will be allocated on the same day. Please bring an amount of rupees 60,000 rupees, because as soon as the list comes from Delhi, that will be coming by the evening time. So you will have to deposit an amount of 60,000 rupees, which is 1 year, which is for the full year, which includes your both boarding and lodging, your food and your accommodation. One more thing regarding the accommodation is that we'll be providing you. You must have checked the website. The important point over here is that you have to get your own mattress and you have to get your own quilt. And please see that in Shimla it is very, very cold. So please bring your clothing accordingly. Otherwise, we have a beautiful hostel, excellent view, and the hostel has been being upgraded with the latest electrical gadgets, and all facilities are there. There is hot water supply, everything is there. But then please go through the list, and please, the other things, all that is mentioned over there, what all you have to get. Again, we will be having a separate induction class for the hostel itself. I'm just giving you the brief guidelines. The second important thing is, when you come is, again I want to tell you that the weather is very, very important. The weather point is very, very important. So you please come with proper clothing and all, because Shimla is a little cold. So not little cold, very cold. And although it's a very beautiful, as far as I'm concerned, I find it very beautiful. But then sometimes some people have a problem with the cold. So please see that you have a cotton and comfortable clothing with you. Then we have mentioned in the website, you must continuously keep on checking the website. We have mentioned in our website that you will have to get a few documents along with you. You will have to get your original documents, and then you will have to get a few stamp papers. Now we have mentioned 10 rupees. Sometimes that is not available. We have mentioned that because that is the lowest denomination. So you please get that is for the hostel, and that is for your attendance. Regarding attendance and all, presently we do not know the situation because of the COVID, how what the new norms are. But then you please bring those documents along with you, which all is mentioned in the website. So now that is regarding the reporting. Another thing which I think would be, which is very important to you, is the fees. Now the link for the fees will be provided on Monday. We've got the link will be provided, and the remaining 14,000 rupees fees you should submit as early as possible. And as early as possible, you should submit the remaining fees. The link will be provided in the website. We have also asked you to furnish some more information to us. That is because of the classes. The classes are going to be conducted. So for that, we require your email, we require your phone number, we require your name, date of birth, all that. About 200 to 220 students have already given us that list. We won't be waiting, because we have to start the classes on Monday. On Monday, the class will be starting through the link, which is our normal classroom link. So all those students who have not enrolled in there should do it as fast as possible, because we will be sending the link today in the evening itself. Then other things that I want to tell you is that the college is really waiting for all you people. We wish and we hope that you join as fast as possible. We want to see you in campus. We want to see this campus bubbling. We are preparing the campus. And then only a word of caution is that, considering the present situation and the epidemic that has affected the country and everyone, each one of us, you please follow the proper guidelines of the government, whatever instructions are given. And it is also advisable in these changed circumstances that you carry your own water bottle, bring your own plate, your own glass, because initially all these things, they were being provided by the college, but now you must be very careful, and wearing of the mask, all those kind of things, maintaining physical distance. As far as the hostel is concerned, the hostel is according to the norms. It has got the proper distance. We are only giving the room on a twin sharing basis. It's a huge room, so proper distance and all is there. But even if you're staying in the PG and also, you will have to be very careful regarding these things. As far as the one more thing I want to tell you is regarding the placement, because that is also, there are two ingredients to it. There is the IT and there is the placement. IT is in your second year, although it is too initial to talk about these things, and we will be taking all these things in the due course of time. But just I want to tell you that we do it in the best of places. Now, although there is much more to share with you, but I think now it would be better if some of you could write your queries. You could in the block given in there, if you could write the queries, or you could and then I could be answering these queries. And these queries, because in general I can go on speaking and speaking, but then it should be a fruitful interaction. So I want your queries, which I think I should answer, because I'm getting a lot of phone calls, and that is what basically an induction is, that we should be addressing your concerns. So if there are any comments, if there are any queries, you please write it down in the comment box, and we'll be going through it randomly, and then I'll be replying to your queries. Please, your queries through the comment box. Chat box, comment and chat box is the same. Yes, about the first query is about the uniform. Regarding the uniform, the entire list has been provided in the website. You must go through that website. We have even mentioned the color. We have even mentioned the make. Now we advise you to make the uniform on your own, but in case if you do not get it in your place, there are plenty of people who are supplying it in Shimla. So you can come here and then make the uniform. We will give you plenty of time. We will give you, after physical reporting, we will give you plenty of time to make the uniform. So uniform, if you get it on your own, it's an open thing. If you get it on your own, it is well and good. But then otherwise, we will be providing for the links we will be giving you, and it is available in Shimla. So that is regarding the uniform. Sir, when do we have to pay the IGNOU fee? Yes, another very important question. Please don't worry about it. First, you will be getting your National Council roll number. That is after you pay the 14,000. First, you will have to pay the college fee. That is the remaining 14,000 rupees. After that, the list will go to the National Council, from where you will be accorded the NCHM city roll number. After which we will be providing you the IGNOU link. The IGNOU fee has to be paid directly to the IGNOU. So right now you don't have to worry about it. First of all, is the admission process has to get complete. I mean, the admission process means the admission is only confirmed after you have paid that 14,000 rupees. So that will take time till second. Already till second, the National Council has already given the time. So till second, we'll have to wait for everyone. After second, or after the due date, the list will go to the National Council. Therein you will be allotted your NCHM city roll number, after which you will have to pay the IGNOU fee. Sir, what is the distance from PG to college? Yes, this is another very important question. We will be addressing this on Monday. We have got PG available in Kufri, which is just about half a kilometer, which is walking distance from this college. And then it is also available in places like Dali and Sanjali, which are the nearest habitant places from the college. And they are about 8 to 12 kilometers from this college. And that is why I have talked about the college bus. The students who stay in Sanjali and Delhi, who take accommodation over there, can also apply for the bus facility itself. The next question is uniform. I've already answered. IGNOU, about uniform, is it same for girls and boys? Yes, it is same. And one more thing I may tell you, because this is in this time we are having an online kind of a system. And since the color becomes a very big issue, so we have kept the color as black. The suit color is as black, because in black you do not have a variation. So please don't worry. Black is a color which doesn't have much of variations. Otherwise, we had a grey suit till last year. But again, to give that color, and whether you will be able to identify it through the online medium, through photograph and all. So we did away with that, and for your convenience, we have made it black. And the chef and the chef coat, all of you are aware. The physical reporting is scheduled on 2nd November. Yes, this is as per the NCHM city guidelines, and we can only say as of now it is yes. You please keep watching the website. Whatever the latest developments are, we will be telling you. In hostel, we will be accompanied by seniors for guidance. You see, basically our hostel is for the first year. We have limited accommodation in the hostel, and our first preference is the first years. But yes, for your guidance, we keep a few good students. We have a hostel committee also. When you come to the college, we have a lot of things over here. We have hostel committee, we have a college committee. The students who perform very well on the basis of academics, there is a college committee. We have a college captain, we have a college vice captain, and all the mentors are there. The student mentors are there who are decided and who are selected by the teachers. But the basic behind being appointed to these committees is the rank, is your class performance. On basis of your class performance only, we take a few students from second year and third year in the hostel, whom we make them as the hostel mentors or the hostel captains, and they will be there for your guidance. They are the best of our students. Yes. The next, sir, are you sure that the colleges will be starting from 2nd of November? No, I'm as sure as you are. You and I are both in the same boat. Yes. In this case, I can only say, let us hope and pray that the college starts on 2nd of November. On my part, I can say that we are fully prepared. IHM Shimla is fully prepared to welcome you on 2nd, but we have to wait for the government guidelines on our part. And one more thing I may add over here is, as far as Shimla and Himachal is concerned, we've been very fortunate. The government has been very effective, and the corona virus has somewhat been contained in our areas. We have not heard of much cases of corona and all. Of course, the fear is there, and I advise you to be very cautious. But here in Himachal, in Shimla, it is very, very safe. Comparatively, it is very, very safe. So I do not see any problem if the government guideline is there that we won't be able to start on 2nd of November. For that, we have to wait for the central government and the NCHMCT guidelines. Sir, when will we get to know about our class section and how much section will be there? You see, when you report for your physical reporting, normally we make a batch size of 60. That is the batch size, but that is as far as the offline classes are concerned. And depending upon how many students report and all that, after the actual this one, as for the classrooms, for the practical classrooms, we have a different batch size. For the theory classrooms, we have a different batch size. So that will depend upon the offline situation. And as far as the online class is concerned, because online, like I'm addressing you right now, and we'll be giving you one link. So as far as till the time the online class is there, and online is only theory. So only we have, as far as the hotel management education is concerned, we are a little restrained, because the most important component of our training is the practical component. So that practical component, it can only take place when the offline classes start, and till then, as far as the online classes are concerned, till 2nd, it is very clear that the online classes will be continuing. So we will be giving you a link. Sir, when will we get to know our class section? I've already answered that. Sir, when we come to Shimla, sorry, I'm just this one. Sir, when we have to come to Shimla for regular class, I've already answered that. As of now, it is 2nd of November. And then the guidelines will be given by the NCHMCT, which will be updated in the website. What about our batch size and timetable? Timetable for the online classes will be immediately put up in the website. We'll be putting it today evening after my introduction is over. This induction is over. We'll be putting up the timetable. Yes. Sir, I want to ask about the percentage of placements. The percentage of placements, if I can have the video. Dear students, every year we prepare a booklet like this. This is the placement report of the year 2019-20. This is the placement record of the year 18-19. This is the placement record of the year 17-18. It is per student, and when you come for physical reporting, you can check these reports. They are based on facts. It is not that something which is put up in the website. It is as per the actual. What I can say is that almost everyone gets a placement, but then there are many students who do not appear for the campus interviews because they have their own plans. Perhaps many of them have their own business, or they want to go for higher studies. So those students who are not appearing in the interviews, they are the issues. Now the placement, but then I must tell you a very important point over here, which I have told you in the beginning itself. You see what placement means. Actually, from my point of view, if you look at the record and if you just want the figure, it is 100%. But then, what is the level of placement? That is very, very important. I have told you in the beginning itself that you will have to work very hard. In the actual management trainee level, that percentage is very, very important. That percentage is very less. Students get a job, but they get job. Many of them are getting jobs in various lines, in even accessory lines. They are going in fast food chains. They are going in the retail sector. Some of them are even going in some other varied kind of lines, and we have various companies coming for the placement. But the real catch is that management trainee position, which is the best. For example, getting selected in ITC Welcome Group management trainee program, where from all over India, from all the hotel management colleges, they are taking a batch of about 30 to 40. So you must imagine how difficult it would be. But I can proudly tell you that every year about 1 or 2 of our students are making it to that grade also, getting selected in Oberoi's. This is very tough because you see all over India there are 30 to 40 students, but our students have also made it to that grade. We have got students who have made it to management trainee level in all the major chains. That is the major chains of country, best chains of the country. That is the Taj, the Oberoi's, and the ITC. So, but then again, you have the placement. Please don't get carried away by that 100% placement. What you will be satisfied, and what we will be satisfied is if you make it to a management trainee level of a good 5-star deluxe hotel. Okay, what about the? I've already, sir. We will get the books from the college, or we have to buy it on our own. You have to buy the important books on your own. The teachers will be telling you you should buy some books. But then let me tell you that we've got an excellent library in our college. We have got all the periodicals, and I've already mentioned that in my introduction. And you will be when you come to the college, when you report to the college, we will be making a library card and all those kind of things. You can get the books issued from the library. Now there are some encyclopedias and very expensive kind of books. Those books we do not issue. Those books you will have to study in the library itself. So there's a beautiful library with a big. It's got a seating capacity of more than 100 students. So you must avail that library, and then some books you should purchase. With the concerned teachers will be telling you in the classes. Sir, what about vegetarian? Yes. Where you have both the choices, veg and non-veg. Okay, and we have veg for the vegetarians. There is a vegetarian food. Food in the mess. Yes, there is excellent food in the mess. The daytime food is prepared by the college. We have mess, but again we are waiting for those COVID guidelines. We do not know exactly how we are going to do it with you people, because everything right now, everything is in a, but till date our food is, and we have a mess and everything is in place. Sir, is the college centrally heated? Yes. The auditorium is, we have auditoriums, we have classrooms which are centrally heated, and in the hostels we are in the process of upgradation, but right now we do not have the central heating system, but we allow the students to bring heaters, and so that is, but the college as far as the classrooms are concerned is fully centrally heated. Yes. When will the, again I have answered, when will the classes start after the physical reporting? This I have already answered. I cannot, we have to wait for the government guidelines. You spoke about academics and infrastructure. What is the information about the sports? Oh yes, very important thing which I forgot. Thank you for reminding. As I told you, we have a huge auditorium. That auditorium is used for multivarious activities. We use it for indoor badminton. We have volleyball facilities. I have already mentioned we've got a gym. We also conduct a sports day, and if you would have gone through our college website, we've already put in a lot of photographs. We have all the indoor games. We have got tables. We have TT. We have got I think a lot of TT tables. We've got badminton. We have got outdoor, indoor. We have got volleyball. Then the trek itself, so you see the trek in our college itself, the walking and lot of facilities for playing. But yes, we do not have a big playground as such. So for that, at times, if you are interested, we arrange in Shimla. We go to the St. Edward's College, and for there we arrange for some cricket players thing or something. That is one thing which is in the hills. You know that this space is the problem. So we do not have a full-fledged sports ground, but we arrange those activities, and we also have a sports day in our college. Can we park our private vehicles in the hostel? See, we do not. This is a very tricky issue, and you have asked. We do not allow vehicles in this college, and as it is, most of you are from the plains. You are not accustomed to driving in the hills, so we do not allow students to bring their vehicles up. Timing of online classes, the timetable will be displayed, and you will have to go through it. So it will be as per the timetable, which will be put up in the college website. Sir, enrollment number has required an affidavit for NT. Yes, that enrollment number means your that JEE rank. Presently, the JEE rank. Sir, I have questions regarding grooming. Regarding grooming, let me tell you, grooming is a full. Grooming is something. It's a part of your personality. It's a part of lifetime. Now, for example, if you are a doctor, or if you are a lawyer, if you are a doctor, what is most important for a doctor is skill. The medicine that he is giving, that is most important. If he is a lawyer, his record of past cases is most important. If you are a sportsman, again your record is very, very important. For a hotelier, this grooming is a part of lifetime. So this is in general what I can say. Grooming is very, very important, and it is a part of your lifestyle. It starts with taking good food, ample intake of water, your sense of grooming. You should know what professional grooming is, what a professional hairstyle is, how do you match your clothes. There's a lot to it. Only what I can tell you is that what I wanted to tell you is that as far as the hotelier is concerned, grooming is a part of your career. It's a part of your lifestyle. You will be assessed on the basis of your grooming. Just as a medicine is important for a doctor, his medical skill is important for a doctor. Just as IT is important for the technical skills are required for an IT engineer, the most important skill for a hotelier is grooming and communication, the overall personality. Which JEE rank is most suitable to get the hostel? That we will know on actual reporting, but it cannot be generalized. It cannot be generalized because the first 120 are going to make it. So let us see. But it is whatever it is. It is transparent and it is fair. It will be displayed. So let us see. Timetable for online classes. I've already answered that. We are putting up in the website. Sir, what is the schedule regarding our online classes? How to join? We'll be telling you how to join. The link will be provided. All that we are doing it through My Classboard, and that is the software we are having. Presently, we are doing it through Cisco WebEx. So both the options are there. The link will be. We'll be telling you how to do it. There will be a mock class also for that. The link will be provided. You please keep on checking the website. Sir, are flats available near college? We do not have flats near the college, but we do have PG accommodation in Kufri available. Yes. What are the subjects we are going to have? I had mentioned in my introduction what the subjects you are going to study. I told you there are the 4 basic components of hotel management are the front office, the accommodation operation, food production, and food and beverage service. They're basically divided into 2 major lines. One is the food production line, and the other is the accommodation operation. Plus, we have some other accessory subjects like hotel engineering, food science and nutrition, research and research methodology, facility planning, strategic management, hotel accounts. So all these are required. All that which is required to run a hotel. Okay, and then even language is also very, very important. Although initially we had French as part of the syllabus, but then again, as I told you, it's a very competitive kind of a line. You must also be an additional language, especially those of you who want to go in the accommodation operations, is very, very important. Now, in fact, not only accommodation operations, in all operations. Initially, there was a time when the kitchen was considered as a back of area kind of a job, but now the situation has changed, and the chefs have also come to the forefront. Sir, how do we need to do a COVID test before entering Shimla? No, presently you don't have to do it. The borders are open and there's no test required. But yes, when you are coming to the college, along with that affidavit, if you would have checked our college website, there is a medical form given in there, which is as per the prescriptions. You have to get it filled before coming to the college. Sir, what is about the difficulty of interstate? As far as the Himachal is concerned, presently there is no problem because the border is closed. Himachal is connected through air. We have got a train also coming to Shimla. From Kalka you have to change and you have to come through the toy train. And there are a lot of buses which are plying to the state. Presently the state is in the phase of opening the inter-transport government vehicles that I mean. And it all depends upon what type of response you are getting in from other states. Presently the present guideline is that on 15th of October, perhaps most of the states will be opening for interstate borders will be opening for government buses also. Or as far as the car is concerned, private taxis are concerned, you can come in directly. How many seats are available in the girls hostel? We have got 66 seats, and as I told you, we have got about 50 to 51 girls in the first year itself, and we will provide you with the hostel. Most of the girls in the for the girls will be providing you a hostel in the first. Sir, I just sent my personal information to you, email address given in the notice, but they didn't reply. So how we are sure that we get the registered online class? We will be giving you the link, and through the link you will be knowing. Otherwise, you will again have to write us a mail and we are in the process of compilation of that list, because that list has to be given to that to my class board people for upgradation, and from there, that is why we have given you the mobile numbers, and you will be getting the messages in the mobile numbers. That is why we asked you. We are in the process of upgrading it. You will get it before Monday when the class starts. Sir, rupees 60,000 hostel fees for 1 year is up to April. It is for 1 year. It is for 1 year whenever the session starts. You have written April or next October. It is not like that. It is as whenever this session will be. That 1 year means your first year. When you are going to your second year, it will be considered. So presently I also do not know how the semester system is going to work. Initially, till last year, what used to happen was we used to start in July and we used to end in May or in the first or second week of May. So that was considered as a full 1 year. Now I do not know how much time this is going to take when the offline classes are going to start, but then full 1 session. That means your first semester and your second semester comprises 1 full year. Date of birth is changed in physical reporting time. I cannot understand date of birth changes in physical reporting time or not. Date of birth cannot change. What do you mean by date of birth? I think there is some typing mistake. You have not been clear to explain what you want. Sir, it was mentioned in hostel seat matrix that only 26 seats are available in the girls. As I said, we will try to accommodate. We'll see. That was till last year. This year we have got a higher number. Yes. How much is the fee left from our side? As far as the college is concerned, 14,000 rupees, and that is mentioned in the website. The link will be opened on Monday for the submission of that fees, and you must do it online as fast as possible. Sir, please tell about the hostel procedure. I have already, at the cost of repetition, because this is very important, I have already told it 3 times. Again repeating, after physical reporting, the list as per the physical reporting, the list of the reporting candidates will be sent to NCHMCT, after which the NCHMCT on the basis of the merit, that is your JEE rank, will be providing us the list of the students who will be applicable for the hostel. Sir, I don't have my class 12 original mark sheet, so we will give you a certain time for that. Okay. Sir, the tools which are given on the website that we have to take by ourselves or the college will provide. The college will not be providing you. The college has mentioned these specifications. We have mentioned Cartney, all that. Those are specifications. Those are the company names. Okay. So you have to buy those toolkits from the market. But please see the specification. We have given 3 specifications of these over there. Will everyone get hostel? No, everyone will not get hostel. We have made it very, very clear. Now it is repetition when our online classes are going to start. Right now we have not got our 12th document. If what we'll do, we'll give you time from where we should buy the books. You should buy the books only after the teachers tell you. Presently, please don't buy any book. For that, you will have to wait. The teachers will start with the online classes. Each and every teacher is going to tell you the requisites. So you please wait for the classes. Remaining amount of 14,000 rupees I've already mentioned. From Monday, we'll be giving you the link. I think that your team for email are quite lazy to react. How do you feel that? Now, we are not lazy to react at all. We are very active. We do it on a, but you see there are some technical points. So we have a process where it goes through 2 or different hands. It's not like you send us an email and we give you an immediate reply. Because when you give us an email, it is diaried. There's a government procedure to it. It goes through 3 different hands. But you will see that you will get a reply. Yes. Sir, in the second year, we are not going to get the hostel. In the second year, yes. In the second year, normally our first preference is the first years, because by the time you take admission in this college and you are here for 1 year, then you are fully conversant with this place. And Shimla, as it is a very safe and a very peaceful kind of a place. So students, by the time they go to the second year, they are quite well confident. They are well conversant about this place. So they do not have any difficulty in getting the accommodation or arranging for the accommodation outside. Sir, what about the difficulty of interstate traveling, as there are very less transportation? I think let us wait. The situation is changing on a daily basis. Let us see what the situation is as on 2nd of November. Sir, you spoke about academics and infrastructure. I wanted in sports we've already discussed. Sir, does PG provide us both boarding and lodging? Yes, both boarding and lodging. But there are some PGs who are, that depends. When you come over here, you'll see that there are a lot of PGs. There are some PGs who are providing you with only accommodation. Then there are some PGs who also allow you to cook. It depends upon the individual student also. It will depend upon what you want. You will get it according to your choice. Plenty of them are there. Sir, can you tell me the highest package and the one who's giving? Please, when you come over here, you will find out. Can we take the kitchen toolkit from the college? How much? No, we do not provide you with a kitchen toolkit. I've mentioned that. We have mentioned our specification. Okay. Tell us about the toolkit. I've already mentioned that. Sir, when our online lectures are going to start? As far as we are concerned, we have already started. This is the induction. From Monday morning, again the process is going to start. We are putting up the timetable shortly. See, please don't repeat. The same questions are being. When will we get our bona fide letter? You please give us the mail. Please give us the mail. We are also waiting for that 14,000 component. So you send us the mail for it. What about generic and specialization program? You see, this 3-year degree is a general program. It's a general program, and it comprises of all the 4 components. It also gives you an industrial training exposure. At the end of the 3 year, you are free to join whichever area you are good at or you feel you are competent at. This course enables you entry in all the major sections of the hotel industry. What is the timetable of the gym? It is in the evening time. It is in the evening time, and we also allow during the holidays. Okay. And what about the food fests and competitions? Plenty of competitions. We compete in almost all the competitions which are organized at the national level, especially by the central IHMs. And we have intra-college competitions also. And we are just waiting. We have to wait for the offline colleges thing to start, for all these things to restart. What time the college opened during December? Yes, I told you we have a little bit of problem in the winters. That is when it snows. Otherwise, it is normal. The normal timing is 9 to 5. We operate. The only problem is when we have this snow. But then let me tell you, everything has a positive side. Now this online class has given us a new medium. It has given us a new light. Initially, in the some of our classes were being disturbed because of snow, but now nothing like that. The classes will continue because if there is some problem, that is for a few days. In fact, it is only for 1 or 2 days. But then now the academics is not going to suffer because we are going to continue with the online classes. Again, toolkit. Afternoon, sir. Basketball court is there. Yes. No, we do not have a basketball court presently, but yes, we are looking for it. We are as I told you, we are in the process of upgradation. We are making new spaces. Perhaps by the time you report, we can do that also. Scholarship, yes, there is a lot of scholarship available, and you should give me a mail regarding this. So what all are available, because to tell you in detail over here will be difficult. You please send a mail to this effect to our college, so we'll be replying you what all scholarships are there. Boarding lodging we have already answered. Scholarship we have also boarding and lodging in Shimla. Yes, we are arranging a special class on Monday regarding this accommodation. If anyone can't get hostel, as I told you, there is a lot of PG available outside, about which again we are conducting an induction. Yes, all major companies come for placement, not only Marriott, Taj, Oberoi's, all major companies. I have shown you a full booklet. You can come here and see it. Thank you, sir. Okay. What about dormitory? See, we presently in the COVID times, dormitory is not advisable. Yes. Coat and pant color is black. Yes, we have kept it black. It's not grey, it's black. And we've kept it black so that there is no variation. Otherwise, in grey it will be difficult. If it was offline, we could have given you the color, shown you the sample. But since you are there in your houses and we want it to be economic, we thought that if it would be possible, if you get it on your own, and it would be economic because you know your people and all. So that is why we've kept it black. It is black. Yes, there will be a separate induction for the hostel. The hostel warden is going to take it, in which he is going to talk about the hostel outpass rules, everything in detail. Interstate travel, again we have already answered that. Toolkit I've already answered. Sir, how can we manage a first semester study and first semester papers as well? Well, we will be having an academic induction also. In that we'll be discussing this. Is that true that the college is fully isolated? I will not say it is fully isolated. I would say it is ideally located for a academic discipline. For it, our college has a pristine and an academic location. Isolated means it is separate, but then we are located on a national highway, on a highway which is very busy. We are just 2 kilometers away from the Kufri main market. Kufri by itself is an internationally acknowledged. It's in the international map. It's an international tourist place, and we are about 6 to 8 kilometers from the main habitation, which is Delhi. But then, as I've told you, we've got buses, and it's a very busy highway. You will have to see it. We cannot. When you say isolated, it looks a little. The word itself looks a little negative. I would say it is ideally located, and we are located at the backside of the very famous Wildflower Hotel, which is one of the most pristine, I would say, property of Oberoi's. We are just 2 kilometers away from the official president house, and Priyanka Vadara also has a house over here. What about important information separately for girls and boys? For the girls and boys, as there is, you see, the information is almost the same. Volleyball court, yes, we have. Toolkit, I have answered. Kitchen toolkit already answered. Toolkit. Yes. What is we have already answered. Sir, any chance to get in touch with the alumni? Yes. You go through the college YouTube. What uniform do we need to bring for all that is mentioned in the college website. The kitchen, chef coat, chef pant, everything is mentioned in there. Sir, please tell how change of date of birth. Now you will have to write a mail. This is something very technical. Kalka route has not opened. We have to book our train tickets. Yes, this is an issue. With COVID, there are certain issues, and there is plenty of time, and let us see what happens. Everything goes well, then we'll be staying in Shimla for the classes, or we need to go back. Again, I cannot answer this one, but we'll be updating you. We'll be updating before you come. You please check our website. Plus, we have been calling us. Our numbers are also, mobile numbers are also given over there. So we will be telling you whether you have to come with your luggage or not. 1 second. What type of character certificate is required to make the character certificate from your last, from where you have passed out, from your school? I've already answered that. Flats in winters, there's a problem with electricity. No, there's no problem with electricity. Even if the electricity is not there, we have full 2 generators running in our college on diesel. So there's no such problem of electricity. Yes. On the day of physical reporting, we have to stay there for, yes, very important point. Let me tell you how the physical reporting is going to take place. On 2nd, now this is all tentative, but how we do the physical reporting is that when you come, it is on the basis of your time of reporting. So when you report to the college, we will be providing you with the token. There is a gate of the college. As soon as you report there, the security guard over there will be giving you a token. On that token, a number will be given. 1, 2, 3, 4, depending upon the number at which you are reporting, and then on the basis of the token, you will be called in different places. We will be calling you. Perhaps it will be open counseling. There will be stalls, or there will be rooms. It depends upon the weather. It depends upon the situation. So you will have to take a token from the security guard as soon as you enter. So at the security gate, you will have to take a token. That token is very important because we will be calling you on the basis of that token. So when you report for physical reporting, and we request you to not to come with too many people because Corona is there, and we would also advise only the students to come to the college. Like the parents can wait outside, and as far as normally we would have taken the parents for visit, another kind of thing, but in the present circumstances, it is advisable that only the student comes to the top. We have to be very particular about our safety and your safety also. So when you come, please take a token. Yes, it's on the basis of token, first come first serve basis. Yes. Right now, okay, 12 document I've already said, sir. Hostel fees is included in 60,000. You see, 67,000 is your total fees for first semester, which is 40,000 you have already deposited. 14,000 you have to deposit. You are still remaining. We'll be providing you on Monday. 12,700 is your IGNOU fee. Altogether 67,000 something, and then 60,000 is separate, is your fee for the hostel for 1 year. Yes. Parents have to come at the time of reporting. Is it necessary? No, not necessary at all, especially in this situation. I advise you to come. If you are comfortable, please come alone. Fee has to be deposited before physical reporting. I've already answered. Do it as fast as possible. Otherwise, you can bring it on the day off. But it is done on the online mode. So it is better you do it before only. The link will be provided. Yes. What about training? Yes, the IT will be trained they will be arranged by the college. Or if you have your own links in the hotel, then you have to take an NOC from us and then you can do it. Electronics such as laptop for our coursework. Yes, presently we cannot tell you to bring a laptop, but if you have one, it is very, very important, especially under the changed circumstances. It has become much more. It is now, in fact, it has become very difficult to operate without it. Sir, CBSE has not issued a migration certificate. So what we can do? We'll wait. We'll give you time. Sir, how can we cover the whole year course in a very less time? The National Council will take appropriate action. You don't have to worry about that. The situation is such. Sir, presently, okay, migration, we've already answered that. When one enrollment number are required for affidavit, which one presently your JE? Your JE rank is enough. We will be giving you an enrollment number after you take admission in the college, after your physical reporting. Uniform, I've already answered. Uniform, we need to buy the uniform after physical reporting. You can do it. We'll be giving you plenty of time. Training, I've already answered. When the link for the classes will be provided, yes, we'll be doing all that. You keep on checking the website. Sir, what about the gym condition in the campus? We have already put the photographs in the website. Parents I've already answered that. So can you give 12 document through DigiLocker? Can we give you a copy of the document? As per the pandemic situation, we couldn't get you write a mail regarding this. Where can we get the uniform from? You can get the uniform from your own sources, or if you come to Shimla, there are a lot of shops available here who are providing the uniform. Winter break period, we cannot tell you right now. Everything is in doldrums. And it is decided that only what I can tell you is that all the vacations and it's a centralized teaching pattern, so they are decided at the all India level. Is there any bad? Yes, we have an indoor badminton court. Excellent. Do we have? You mean, I think it's a spelling mistake. Extra, you mean external sports competition? Yes. Last year we had gone to IHM Hyderabad, and our students won over there. We were the overall winners in that competition. There was an Intercat competition arranged by IHM Hyderabad. Our full team of students had gone there, and our college team was the proud winner at that event. If girls want to visit the market in these days, we'll be telling you about that. About all that rules and all, hostel rules and all in our induction class for hostel. You please see the timetable. College is 6 day, or we are a 5-day week. It's a central government organization. All the NCH and CTs operate for 5 days. Indoor, outdoor, both. Badminton court is both indoor and outdoor. Yes. What happens in winter? The normal routine takes place. Do we need a laptop? I've already answered that. PG safe for the students? Yes, very, very safe. Till date, we've been operating. We have an intake of more than 300 students. We have been operating since the year 1995. I can tell you, till date, there has never been a problem regarding safety, security. Any such issue has never come up till now, and I hope it will not come in future also. Affidavit is the present affidavit. You should bring in the blank affidavits. So we'll tell you what to write in there. It is regarding hostel and other things. So didn't get a reply. I sent mails yesterday. Yes, we will be replying you. We will be replying all the mails. Sir, we have to wear boys' coat pant on attending online class. See, it is good for you. As I told you, grooming is a part of your lifetime. A part of your profession, and I would advise you, even when you are attending online classes, please be in proper uniform. Make it a part of your, you make it a part of your lifestyle. Internship according to academic rank or how we present ourselves. You see, it is on the basis of your presentation. All your campus interviews, your IT interviews, you will be appearing for and we'll be teaching you. We'll be teaching you. This is the most important component of our training: how to appear and how to give an interview. And right now, even an online interview has become very, very important. What about the toilets in the hostel? No, we do not have a toilet in every room, but there are ample toilets. There are ample toilets. It is block wise. For 8 to 10 rooms, that way we have got. We have got about 8 times, like for example, for one block, about usually on an average, you can say for 2 rooms we have 1 toilet. Lot of toilets we have in the hostel. I have a question. I have sent my details for another email account. My details from another. You please see that you give one email, because if you keep on changing the email, it will be difficult for you in the present circumstances. It could be that online assessment, online examinations are also there. So the link will be provided on the. So if you continuously change the email, it is difficult for you also, and it is difficult for the college also. Plus, your email is there. Your email account will be there. We have a thin kind of a system in which we have the email given, and we'll be talking about that in detail in due course of time. If you after this, I will be putting up the timetable, and we will be putting up the other induction issues. There we'll be talking about the email party. Freshers party, yes, we had a freshers party every year. We do not know. Kabaddi, yes, we can. Students, I've seen students playing kabaddi. Winter break, I've already answered. Laptop. One of your students is working in Indian Navy. He is my father's colleague. Thank you. Sir, when can we find the link to provide our contact and email information? We've already given that. You have to update your link. We have already given you the email that is there in the website. Please see the website properly. We have already sent you an email where you have to provide your email, your phone number and other details, which on the basis of which we will be giving you the link for the class. Sir, I don't get a reply as I sent my email details yesterday. If you're not getting a reply, means we've already taken care of that. We've already registered it. What about bathrooms? I've already answered that. Plenty of bathrooms in the next in the hostel. Sir, is there any internet connection problem? No, not at all. Sir, is there ragging? We'll be having a separate session on ragging. Is there any art of living? Not nearby, but we do have many art of living centers in Shimla. Medical facilities, yes, we have very important. We have the medical facility available. In fact, we have a lady staff nurse. I think we are only one of the few colleges, I think, if not the only college, which has an in-house staff nurse. And there is a primary. Someone has talked about isolation of IHM Shimla. Just walking distance from our college, we have got a primary health center. Just opposite to our college is we have got an army center. In fact, when you come to the college, so those of you who are coming by your own vehicle or you are coming by public transport, you please tell them that we have to get down at the army camp. Right opposite, we have a wayside restaurant also, and right opposite to our college, we have got a PNB ATM, and we have got a full army center just opposite to our college. And the primary health center with full doctors, nurses, ambulances, all the facility is available at walking distance at I think hardly 50 meters from the college. Did college provide tour for students? Yes, lot of tours. Medical facilities, I've told you. Sir, due to some technical issue, unable to attend today's seminar. Yes, we are recording this and we'll be updating this on the college YouTube. We will be putting this session on the college YouTube for those of you who have not attended or those of you who do not get the link. Many of the students are not even updating themselves with the college website. Sir, any 6-month diploma available? No, we do not have a 6-month diploma. Regarding your emails, lot of questions are coming. If we are not replying, means we have already got your details, and we are sending your details to the my classboard system, which is there for running the classrooms. We have taken the mobile. We'll be replying. It takes time. We have given a time only. Till now, we've only got many of you have not even sent your details. So please understand regarding the reply. Sir, will a WhatsApp group be created? Yes, we will be telling you about all these things. Don't worry. Football ground is not available in the college, I told you. Ragging free, yes, we are an absolutely ragging free college. About the reply, I am telling you, we are updating it. We will be sending you on the mobile through the classroom network that we have. And very soon we'll be since I'm getting a lot of queries, so you please don't raise this query. We'll be updating it and putting it, or we'll be putting the name of the students who have already sent their email and their phone numbers on our website. Please listen to me. We will be updating. We will be putting up the list of the students who have given their emails and phone numbers on the website. So the remaining should please follow. So that question is answered. We will be telling you, carry off with the luggage. Please don't bring the luggage without phoning us, and please check our website. We will be telling you whether it will be just a reporting and then you will have to go back, or whether you will have to come with your luggage. You please check the website. Sir, is there any competition other than sports like singing, dancing? Yes. Monthly cost of PG we will be telling you. Average we will be giving you. We are holding a separate session for that. Chess, yes. Chess, carom board, everything is there. In fact, we provided, we've got an activity room which is a special room for playing all these kind of things. On which email do we have to mail bona fide? You have to mail it on IHM Kufri. @yahoo.com. For all your other information, only your email personal details regarding the class has to be given on that link. Otherwise, all other emails have to be given in the ihmkufri@yahoo.com. Football ground, I've already answered. Tour for students, already answered. Room heaters, yes, you should. Room heaters, you should. We have summer vacation next year. Let us see. One query regarding physical reporting. Do we have to spend whole day regarding physical reporting, or we can go back? Please check our website. We'll be updating you on that. We'll be telling you. Is the campus fully Wi-Fi? Yes. Regarding the scholarship, please give us a separate mail on ihmkufri@yahoo.com. Mobile, yes. Now you'll have to bring the mobiles. Initially the mobiles, but now the circumstances are changed. What time of? We have a wooden both indoor wooden badminton court, and we have a concrete one, not synthetic. We have a concrete badminton court. Link will be provided. We'll be telling you. Sir, I have an email about a week ago for the offer letter and a fee estimate because I want a needs offer from the structure regarding. Please reply me, it is important. You see, we are waiting for that 14,000 component also, and we are waiting for your other details. We will be replying to all these. There are a lot of queries regarding bona fide. We will be replying them very soon. Sir, can we do jobs if you live in the hostel? No, it's a full-time course. You cannot. We need to bring our accommodation at the time. We'll be telling. I've already answered that. Please don't repeat. Is there any English course for improving English? We have guest lectures, we have workshops, plus the communication is more or less in English. Whether hostel is available in the second, it's not available in the second for most of the students. If you do very well, as I told you, if you top the class, then yes, we keep a few mentors. What about haircut and beard? No, it is not allowed. I told you about grooming. Grooming is a part of lifestyle. Your haircut should be a professional haircut. We'll be telling you about all that, and you are not allowed with a beard in any hotel. That is part of you see, that's a practical thing. We have to dress. The question is, like, for example, if you say, is PT important for an army person? What would be your answer? Can we have a army man without a PT, or a policeman who's not physically fit? So grooming is a part of your lifestyle. Please remember this. क्या कह रहे हैं? What is the name of the YouTube channel of IHM Shimla? You please check it in our website. It is there. It is known as IHM Shimla YouTube. And this class will also be uploaded there. Where we have to upload our details, we have to give it on that link that we have given. We have given us an email, so you have to give your details in that email that we have mentioned in the website. IHM Shimla 20 it is. IHM Shimla 20@gmail.com. Please check it in the website. Mobile. Now I think most of the things is, sir, if a student want to take a loan, then what about the first term fee? For the loan, you have to send us a letter because you will be requiring a bona fide thing, and then acting activities. We have a lot of programs. We have a lot of functions, freshers and other functions. Fee concession for EWS. No, there is no fee concession for EWS. Holidays, oh my God. College timings, dress code at the time. Dress code is normal, you know, a decent dress code, formal. We would not like you to wear Bermudas or jeans and all, formal. Trouser, here in fact you would also require a sweater, a pullover, all those kind of things, formal. I will be telling you in that hostel class or time in the hostel. Foreign languages available? No, we do not have, but then there are courses running in Shimla. We also have guest lectures for this. I have already colored hair. I think you should avoid it. Mustache allowed, yes. professional mustache is allowed, but it should be properly trimmed. College timings 9 to 5. Fee concession in OBC? No, we do not have any fee concession. Sir, we need uniform. Yes, if you no, not uniform during the online classes, you should be properly dressed. The online will be morning in the or in the afternoon. We'll be putting up the it will be as per the timetable. We are putting a beard. I've already answered. Sir, is sport a regular dress? Yes. In Shimla it becomes almost like a regular dress. College help to get a education loan? No, we do not help in getting an education loan. We only forward your papers. Already colored hair, I've already answered. So I think we are not getting many queries now. So I think online classes are 5 days a week. Yes, it is 5 days a week. We are off on Saturday and Sunday. Training is held in the second year, end of the third year. It is held in the second year. It is held in 2 batches. As per your name list, there will be dividing you into two. One batch will be staying in the college. One batch will be going. We call it the summer batch and the winter batch. We will be telling you in the beginning itself. When you report to the college, you will be knowing whether you are in the summer batch or whether you are in the winter batch. Batch 1, batch 2. Sir, what should we wear during the online classes? Some proper formal clothes. So I think now we are not getting much queries. So, sir, college provides papers for education loans. We only forward your education loan queries. You students have to upload the documents on their own. What about cricket tournament? We do not have a cricket tournament over here. Does hostel have a Wi-Fi? No, the hostel does not have a Wi-Fi. The classrooms have a Wi-Fi. I've already answered online. Can we park vehicle in the hostel? Already answered. You should have your original hair color, please. Affidavit should be you should bring a blank affidavit of rupees or latest one you should bring. Which email ID? I've already told you all the emails in the college ID, that is ihmkufri@yahoo.com. Again, please remember ihmkufri, and all your online all your queries, everything has to come on that. Only the personal information has to go in that IHM Shimla 20 email. IHM Shimla for any survey. Okay, now I think we are towards ending. Now we are not getting much more queries now. All right. If we are late for physical reporting due to travel, what happens? You please send us a mail. Let us see this. So these are all tentative situations. What is the ratio of practical to theory? We have 4 hours of practical every day, 3 hours of theory. Yes. A room heater I have already answered. Will we go for a tour or not? Let us. We will be telling you about the luggage. Please see the college website. Scholarship process, please give us a mail. Initially it will be on the website, then we'll create a WhatsApp group, and then it will be given in the WhatsApp group. For Monday it will be in the website. Then after that, Monday, Tuesday, most probably from Tuesday onwards, it will be a WhatsApp group will be created. Internship is in the second year. We'll be answering that. We have a separate session for that. Sir, I'm only waiting for your queries. We've already taken. Sir, do we have? Yes, I've already mentioned that RAG Setu app is very important while traveling, and I've already mentioned that in the website. Sir, I am taking an education loan. I can get time to pay fee. The initial fee you will have to pay at the college. We cannot wait. Then when you get the education loan, then you can. Yes, affidavit can be 15 days old. No issues. Internship is in. Now I think we are coming to an end. I thank you all for participating. It's been a very interactive, very informative session. There was a lot of queries. I know it is the first class. I again wholeheartedly welcome you to the college. I know this is a separate situation. It is a new situation for you as for me. This is the first time in my career that I am holding an online welcome for the students, and desperately waiting for the offline classes to start. Students, wish you all the best. If you have any query, please write a mail. And there were a lot of queries regarding the email and the number that you have sent. So we will be updating all those students who have sent the numbers and the emails which we have received. We will be updating that in our website. Thank you once again. Please keep on watching our website and meet you again on Monday when the induction will further continue. Thank you once again, and we are uploading this in the official YouTube channel also, so you can watch it again and again and be very clear. And if you have further doubts, I'll be most happy to answer them. You can call me on phone or you can send a mail. Thank you again.